Afternoon, members of the public, councillors, members of the press. At this point, I'd just like to note that it's Mr. Matt Chand's last official council meeting as the Taupo Times reporter. Matt, thank you for your input over the last, I'm not too sure how long it's been, but yeah, Matt's had a promotion to Tauranga, so I'm sure all the councillors wish you well, and introduce Mr. Robert Stephen, who's taken over from Matt. Comes with a very highly recommended from Fairfax, so nice to have you here, Robert. Afternoon, councillors and members of the senior management team. I'd like to ask Councillor Truman if you could avail yourself give us a blessing for the day, please.
E te atoa kaharawa kia tata mai koe kia mātou e tēnei rā, mana ki tia mātou mahi katoa e runga I te ingoa o te matua o te tama o te wairua tapu ake āmene.
Just at this stage, I'd just like to have a minute's silence for a local Turangi stalwart, Mrs. Betty Otani Woodhouse, a very favoured Turangi resident who unfortunately passed away the night before last. So if we could just have a minute's silence, please, for Betty. Thank you, councillors.
Thank you, David, for that. That's
No problem.
Very well respected.
Absolutely. Okay, item one, apologies. We have apologies from Councillor Rankin and Councillor Kingi. Otherwise, a full complement. Could I have a mover, please, for that? Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Park. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried. Any conflicts of interest regarding the meeting today and any of the items from any of the councillors? No? Okay. Item number 3, confirmation of the ordinary council meeting on the 28th of March. Do we have any matters arising or clarification of the minutes, please? Councillor Park?
Thank you, Your Worship. I was just wondering in regards to 5.5 on page 7, has there been any further action to the set up of the working group for the Kinloch Reserve?
Through you, Your Worship, staff are just looking at the resolution that you've had and starting our landscape planner starting to look at the what the solutions could be, and we'll come back to you with some drafts in very due course.
Thank you, Councillor Cousins.
5.9 on page 9. Just everyone should be aware, Christine Daly from Tongariro, the coordinator, has resigned, and we are actively looking for someone to replace her, so that funding will be used towards the new person. Thank you.
Thank you, Councillor Cousins. And yeah, we're sorry to note that Christine, but she's staying in the district?
May come back as a board member, yes.
Okay, cool. All right, okay. Could we have a mover, please, for those minutes? To be accepted. Thank you, Councillor Williamson. Seconded by Councillor Jollins. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried. Item 3.2, the council minutes of the 13th of April. That's the extraordinary meeting. Any matters arising or clarification of those minutes, please? That being the case, could I have a mover, please, for those minutes? Thank you, Councillor Park. Seconded by Councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried. Minutes of the Taupo Airport on the 13th of March. Any matters arising or
Through
clarification? Councillor Cousins.
the Chair, so I asked Councillor Jollins, we had a bit of a chat just maybe for the rest of the council in regards to the General Manager's report about parking. So can you elaborate a little bit, Councillor Jollins, on how they're going to repaint or do something with the car parking spaces down there?
Thank you, Councillor Jollins.
In response to Councillor Cousins' question, and maybe Mr. Ridd might like to add something into this, but we're in the process at the moment of doing some strategic planning for the TAA, and part of the process will to consider parking.
Thank you.
But we're hoping to include that as part of our discussions as we move forward into the LTP.
All right, thank you, Councillor Johns. Any other clarification of the minutes or any matters arising?
Mr. Chairman.
Councillor Foddy.
5.1 Waikato Plan Joint Committee. I noticed Councillor Park attended the last one. I think you may well have been ill. I'm interested in when we turn to page 30.
What was this?
Waikato.
No, you've got a few to go before then.
Oh, were you just asking for the minutes? So I'm just doing these minutes.
No, I did it.
It's fine.
Taupo Airport at the moment, on 13th of March. Any other matters arising from the Taupo Airport meeting? No? Could I have a mover, please? Thank you, Councillor Johns, seconded by Councillor Truman. All those in favour, please say aye. Against, carried. Over to the Fred Committee on the 21st of March. Any matters arising from that meeting? All straightforward. Moved by Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Park. All those in favour, please say aye. Against, carried.